This IEM has 10 drivers in it. Yes, 10, 5 on either side. It's a bit of an unusual combination for me. It's one dynamic driver with 4 balanced armatures. Now technically it makes sense because balanced armatures are small drivers, they are easy to drive and can easily be tuned for a specific frequency. This one's the Simgot EM6L and it's actually priced a little bit higher than I expected. It comes in a pretty nice looking box with this black and gold accents, I like that. It's a typical Simgot layout, the IEMs on top and the cables tucked away in this carrying pouch. And I have to say I'm not happy with the cable quality, it's pretty mediocre for the price. I mean, for contrast, the Simgot SuperMix 4, which I am also trying out around the same price, has much better cable quality. So I don't know what went wrong with the EM6L, but the cable feels flimsy. It's alright, but given the price, I was hoping for something a bit better. Sound quality wise, these are a mixed bag. Unlike the SuperMix 4, which is very close to the Harman 2019 curve with brighter top end, these don't have the same characteristics, especially in the sub-bass region. They don't have anywhere near as strong of a sub-bass. And that's fine, but if you're someone who enjoys the Harman curve, you will notice the dip in sub-bass here. But as usual, it's present and it's precise. Once you get used to it, you will appreciate it. However, the top end is a different story. These have better and sharper mid-range overall, even slightly better than the SuperMix 4, but the top end is not something I particularly enjoy, mainly because it's using balanced armatures. And the thing about using balanced armature for the top end is that it ends up sounding sharper than I like. Some people enjoy that sharpness, but not me. I think it's a bit too much for my taste. Like if I listen to treble heavy music, yeah, it gets a bit fatiguing over time. It depends on the music as well, obviously, but I'm just saying the top end is pretty sharp. If you enjoy the KZ level of sharpness, then you will like these too. But I personally prefer the somewhat natural and smoother sounding top end, the likes of which I get from the SuperMix 4, because it uses planar magnetic drivers and not balanced armature. And planar magnetic usually sounds a bit more natural and has fewer distortions, especially when it's used for top end. The EM6L also does not sound as forward and bright as the SuperMix 4, which I guess some people may appreciate. It's a little more balanced and it's also closer to the Harman curve in that regard. The SuperMix 4 is brighter than usual. I personally like how the SuperMix sounds because of that piezoelectric transducer along with the planar magnetic one. But if you're okay with the balanced armature sharpness, then EM6L will be fine for you. But did it really require 4 balanced armatures to get that result? I don't know. Anyways, for people who enjoy a flatter sound with medium bass, great mids and fantastically sharp treble, this is great. But personally, I'll stick with the SuperMix 4 as my go-to preference. There are links in the description for both of these if you're interested in checking them out.